Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by diagnosing the problem with clear, repeatable steps. Run a speed test and note download and upload numbers in Mbps. Test beside the router to remove distance variables and compare results. Check how many devices are active on the network and count simultaneous streams. Measure distance and stay within 20 feet to compare performance. Scan for interference from cordless phones, microwaves, and Bluetooth that use 4 GHz. Prefer the 5 GHz band for less interference and higher throughput when your device supports it. Apply quick fixes that often restore normal speeds immediately. Reboot the router by power cycling for 30 seconds to clear memory and cache. Unplug the router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Move the router to a central location in your home and elevate it about 3 feet for better line of sight. Avoid enclosing it in cabinets or placing it near large appliances. Connect gaming consoles or desktop PCs with Ethernet to get stable wired speeds above 100 Mbps when available. Adjust settings and consider hardware upgrades for persistent slow Wi-Fi. Set channel width to 20 MHz on 4 GHz to reduce congestion from neighbors and overlapping networks. Change the wireless channel to a less crowded option after scanning nearby networks. Enable Co-S to prioritize video calls and gaming while limiting background updates and large uploads. Update router firmware regularly to gain performance and security improvements. Replace routers older than 5 years or add a mesh system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.